How to make money with a blog in 2025. Most bloggers make $0. But the ones who do it right? They're banking $3,000 to $10,000 a month in passive income while you're watching this video. And here's the kicker. It doesn't require you to be famous, have a huge audience, or understand complicated tech. I'm showing you exactly how today. Welcome back. If you're new here, hit subscribe because we break down money-making strategies that actually work in 2025. Let's go. Part 1. The 3 income streams that actually work. Most beginner bloggers focus on the wrong thing. They obsess over traffic numbers when they should obsess over revenue streams. Here are the 3 that make real money. First, affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products you actually use. And when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. We're talking 5% to 50% depending on the product. Real example. If you write about personal finance and recommend a Roth IRA, platforms like Fidelity and E-Trade pay affiliate commissions. One reader opens a Fidelity account? You make $50 to $200. Scale that to 100 readers per month and you're looking at $5,000 to $20,000 annually. That's just one product. Second, digital products. This is the gold mine. Create once, sell forever. An email course teaching people how to build a side hustle, a template for budgeting, a checklist for investing. You set the price. $27, $47. $97. Your profit margin is nearly 100% because hosting costs you maybe $15 a month. One blogger we know sells a $47 budgeting template to just 50 people per month. That's $2,350 in profit every single month. No inventory, no customer service headaches. Done. Third, sponsored content and brand deals. Once your blog gets consistent traffic, we're talking 5,000 to 10,000 monthly visitors, brands will literally pay you to write about them. A personal finance blog can charge $500 to $5,000 per sponsored post. The catch? You only promote brands you genuinely trust. Your credibility is your only real asset. Part 2. The exact roadmap to your first $1,000. Month 1. Pick your niche and start writing. Don't overthink this. Pick something you actually care about. Side hustles, investing, budgeting, debt payoff, real estate. Write about it like you're explaining it to a friend over coffee. Publish 1 post per week minimum. 2 is better. SEO matters, but consistency matters more right now. Month 2 and 3. Build an email list. This is non-negotiable. Create one lead magnet, a free thing people actually want. A PDF guide called The 5-Step Investing Guide for Beginners, or Side Hustle Ideas That Actually Pay. You'll get emails. These emails become your asset. Email subscribers convert to buyers at 10 to 20 times the rate of random website visitors. You're not building a blog. You're building an audience. Month 4. Install affiliate links strategically. Don't turn your blog into a spammy link farm. Recommend products naturally. You write about opening a Robinhood account for beginners? Link to Robinhood's affiliate program. You mention a budgeting app? Use your affiliate link. By month 4, if you've got 2,000 email subscribers and 5,000 monthly visitors, you're probably making $200 to $500 from affiliate commissions alone. Month 5 and 6. Launch your first digital product. Don't make it complicated. Record a simple email course. 5 short videos, 3 to 5 minutes each. Package it as a PDF workbook. Sell it for $27 to your email list. You don't need 1,000 subscribers to make money. Even 50 sales at $27 is $1,350. That's your goal for months 5 and 6 combined. Part 3. The real timeline to $1,000 monthly. Months 7 through 12. Scale what's working. If affiliate marketing is printing money, write more content around those products. If your digital product sells, create another one. Double your content output. Aim for 10,000 monthly visitors by month 12. That's entirely doable with consistent, good content. Year 2. You're now at 15,000 to 20,000 monthly visitors. You've got 2 to 3 digital products. You're making $400 to $800 monthly from affiliates, $300 to $600 from products. And you're probably getting brand deal offers. You're at $1,000 monthly. Here's what most people get wrong. They think blogging is about being an influencer. It's not. It's about solving real problems for real people and getting paid for it. You don't need millions of followers. You need 1,000 true fans who trust you enough to buy from you. The call to action. Your first step isn't complicated. Pick your niche today. Create a simple website on WordPress or Webflow. Costs $15 a month. Write your first 5 blog posts this week. Get started. If you found this helpful, subscribe. We're breaking down money-making strategies every single week. See you in the next one.